Welcome to the Learn Telecommunication program. So in this video we are going to see a problem with the Lenovo laptop model T480. So the laptop was not getting powered on even when the when a power adapter is connected. There is no indication of the LED. So tried with the different chargers. So there is a reset button behind, so even tried resetting the button, still did not work. So I raised a ticket to Lenovo. So since laptop is under warranty, the motherboard is replaced completely. So the video is about an engineer changing the complete motherboard of a Lenovo T480, where you can see RAMs and then wireless modem circuit, and then additional battery inside that, and etc. Hope you like the video. Please comment if you have any questions.